Hello, Stefan here with Liquidity with a video about this German word, ZAHL, and a bunch of variations of it, words that contain this as a root, and also how this is related to the English word tell.
Liquidity.
In modern German, we have two verbs that are derived from the noun die Zahl, which means number, and that is zahlen, which means to pay, and then zählen, which means to count. Both of those are actually related to English, the English word tell, in its older form, in the Anglo-Saxon form of tellern. It means as much as to reckon, to calculate, to even think. And both of those are derived from a Proto-Germanic word, and as far as that can be reconstructed, since there are no written records of that, that would be Taljan. Now you may wonder, why is there a Z in German and a T in English, especially since the Z sound is so different from a T sound. Now in German, this letter is not a Z, it doesn't represent a sibilant really, it's really a plosive, it's really a T, almost like a TS, right? So originally that would have been pronounced like a T sound as well, and it evolved into a T sound. Not just the word Zahl, but some other German words as well. So we're very often when you see a German word beginning with this letter, which is pronounced like a Z, that actually originally was a T sound. Another good example, another very common word in German would be Zeit, related to the English word tide, the tides, right? High tide, low tide. So in its original form, it basically means to make an account of something, to either count things or to take an account of something or to report something or to record something, right? And as such, in that process, to also think about it, to calculate something. So the modern English word to tell just means to narrate, right? But we also have the English word teller, like a bank teller, and that is somebody who doesn't talk to you. No, that's somebody who counts money. So here we have a remainder, a remnant of the old meaning of counting. So even in English, we still have some of that. We also have the word tale, a story, right? Die Zahl, a feminine noun, just by itself means number, really. Zahlung means payment. Zahlen, the verb, means to pay. Bezahlen also means to pay for something particularly. Related to that, in another Germanic language, we have the Swedish word betala, very similar to the German, but it has the T in it, right? So Swedish and English and other Germanic languages didn't have that consonant shift that German had in pre-medieval times. The German verb zählen means to count. And that's very similar to the English word teller, like bank teller, right? In Dutch, we have the word tellen, which also means the same thing, to count. We also have the German noun der Zähler, which literally means a counter, and that usually is used in a specific context. So for instance, der Stromzähler, the electricity counter, the electric meter, really. With a prefix, the prefix er, or er in German, I have Erzählung, die Erzählung, which means a narration or a story. The verb version of that is erzählen. You may come across this word, die Unzahl. Unzahl means an unreasonably large or unexpectedly large number. A number that's just too much. Unzahl. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please check out my other videos, give this one a like, and if you like my other videos as well, consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video. Thanks. Tschüss. Danke. Bye.